Ka Sorkar Jala Kampat Don Satya ya ke Jingtmu ban Shnai ya ke Jaga Thenyun Katkum ka Juk Start Sayan Hapo ke Shnong Mau Khanu ka Bahab Hapo New Shillong Township. Ka Sorkar Kampat Don Jingtmu Satya ban Wanra ya ke Jaga Thenyun ka ba Katkum ka Juk Sayan Hakate ke Jaka Ong Usumbut Menteri Rangba uba Khmi iki kam penroisor uba Sniaw Halang Dhar Haba Juba Hapo ka Ying Dorbar Hakakat Laitrik Leber. UMLA ka VPP na maulay uba Bright Star Marbanyang ula ajimut halor ka jingdon kamya ka Sorkar bakan shnaya ka waste management plan na kabenta ka Maukhanu. Katkum ka jingpun paujong ula ong baka Sorkar kala dep banthit ya ka Jaka ka bahadu praspa akar ha Maukhanu. Haba jubab ya ka ni uba Sniaw Halang ula ong Kadaw baka Sorkar kan shnaya ka Jaka thenyot ha Maukhanu namar kala terwaya ka Jaka ka Pathamai ha Nong Hali kata da ka babanra baka Jaka ka badan kamban penlong ya ka Jaka thenyot ka long hapdeng shispa hadu shispa sanpo akar. Nalor kata usumbut Menteri Rangba Tibru ba Kampat Don Satya kanu ke Jingtmu ban penkelaya ka Jaka syaka European Ward da ka babanra baka Sorkar kadang pun kre ya ka master plan. Shu ula jubab ru ba Om Don Satya ki nong buhay shnong beany hakathan Maukhanu haba kular ya UMLA ka VPP na nongkrem uba Arden Mila basaya moy ba ulong uba lakre ban penlong ya ka jinglet jurep syaka te ka Jaka.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 99. A. Sir, the distance from the new Meghalaya sector to the government land of Maukhanu is 10 kilometers. B. Sir, no, sir. And reply to C. No, sir. And reply to D. Sir, the area required for the setting up of the landfill site is approximately 100 to 150 acres.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank you for the opportunity. Sir, we are aware that the government is developing the new secretariat with all the directorates at Sauli. My purpose of asking the question on distance is that if proper roads are made and developed from Sauli to Maukhanu, then the distance will perhaps be further reduced and not far. So my question is whether the government has thought of allotting land to district or other offices in the government land at Maukhanu, and if so, how many have approached the department so far? I would also like to know the method of assessment of land required by any office.
Mr. Speaker, sir, presently we haven't decided to allot to any department, but yes, we plan as government and decision will be taken in the right times.
So my next supplementary is like this, sir. The land at Maukhanu is around 800 acres or so, which translate to roughly around 3 square kilometer, which is bigger than the European ward. Therefore, sir, I would like a categorical reply, yes or no, from the Honorable Minister, whether it will be converted into another European ward or RR colony in Rinja or like other revenue plots, since we have heard yesterday from the press that the KSU was referring to a transfer of land or lease to non-tribals, where the land is now protected by blue tin sheets, which I now urge the government to quickly check and withdraw any such transfer or lease of land. Another vital issue is that the Honorable Minister may kindly reply whether the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act will apply or not, that no transfer of land by any means shall be made to a non-tribal or non-tribal entity, be it an individual or company or of any composition or by way of lease like the IAS colony at Sauli.
You are asking two questions at a time.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now there is no such plan because the master plan is still preparing. Only then we will take a call at the right times and the right decision. As of now, no plan to give to anybody, and no plan to convert also into European presently. That is for the respective question.
Yes.
Another supplementary question, sir. My final supplementary question, Speaker, sir. is that I urge and prevail upon the Honorable Minister that in light of the negative reply to C, and my suggestion to the government is that since the government land at Maukanu is around 800 acres, so I would like to request the government to kindly re-examine and determine to develop the waste management plan in the government land at Maukanu.
Mr. Speaker, why I say no in the answer C, because we had proposed another alternative land in Nohali for the new landfill site. That is the reason I reply no here in question C.
Yes, Bardhan Bosome, please.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether there is any illegal settling of people in Maukanu area, since the government has replied that the government has not allotted any land to outsiders violating the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act. So whether at present is there any illegal settling of people in that area, sir?
Mr. Speaker, no sir, there is no illegal settler.
So may I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to have a spot inspection to ensure that there is no such illegal settling of outsiders is taking place in that area.
Mr. Speaker, yes, no problem. Point is noted.